Hello, welcome to Mac 101, a beginner's guide to Mac OS keyboard shortcuts. My name is Rusty Ellis and I will be your instructor in this course. I've been a Mac enthusiast for well over 20 years now, everything from in my home to a work environment to also mobile. I've spent a lot of time in the Mac operating system, phones to tablets to laptops to desktops, from business environment to working in graphic design and also magazine publication. By the end of this course, you'll be able to navigate through the menus and operating system of the Mac OS. During this course, we'll be covering components such as Finder commands, application switching, application commands, and common text editing features. Knowing what these components are you asking yourself now, is this course for me? It is if you are a new Mac owner trying to learn the new Mac operating system. What if you're an existing Mac owner working on perfecting your skills? Or does navigating around in the Mac operating system slow you down and hinder your creative flow? If you can say yes to any of these three questions, then this course is for you. If this sounds like you, let's get started. Thank you for watching this preview, and I look forward to seeing you inside the videos.